Hi, we are C2A Cargo Consolidation Application. SMEs, otherwise known as small and medium enterprises, are important to almost all economies in the world, but especially to those in developing countries, and within that broad category, especially to those with major employment and income distribution challenges. On what we call the static front, SMEs contribute to output and the creation of jobs. On the dynamic front, they are a nursery for the larger firms of the future and the next step up for expanding micro-enterprises. However, the group of SMEs are held back by the lack of capital, human resources, and a stable client base. Due to their infrequent exporting of goods, suppliers simply do not place enough importance in helping these SMEs, though research has shown that trading overseas now make up at least 10% of total sales over half of UK SMEs who responded to the survey, and for nearly a fifth of them, 50% of sales are accounted for through exporting. We will be going through our customer segments. We will be targeting SMEs who do not have a stable client base. They do not ship regularly. And for a start, our app is made available in Asia. For example, in Korea, Japan, China, India, and countries in the ASEAN region. Next, we will be going through our value proposition. The main aim of our application is to consolidate cargo so as to decrease shipping costs. Next, our application is made available on multiple platforms such as on the iPhone, Android phones, iPads, and a computer. We aim to build a strong network of logistics service providers with exclusive rights. We understand the importance of privacy, hence we want to build a secure platform which protects clients' information and payment details. Our application also offers real-time visibility so as to help SMEs to track their cargo. Our application saves time and resources by remembering previously filled-in details such as when logging in and previously filled forms such as your airway bill. What's more, this application is made free on the first year, helping you save costs. Next, we will be going through channels. To deliver value of the app to SMEs, we will be marketing the app on various platforms such as Apple App Store, Google Play Store, BlackBerry Store, Windows and Samsung X Store. There will also be a website where customers can visit and create their personal account. To market the app, we will leverage our SMEs associations in different countries such as Japan, ASEAN countries, China, Korea, and India. We will also purchase advertisement space to make it the top business app of the month and make use of search engine optimization. Next, we will be going through our customer relationships. Given the nature of the app, the customer relationship is usually automated, as customers just download the app and start using it. To assist users who might have difficulties or questions, we will create a forum where users post questions and other users or the app administrator can answer. The app will have a user-friendly interface, but we also create a video tutorial for new users who would like more guidance. To build personalization, the application will offer customers the option to remember their preferences and details, especially when filling out time-consuming shipping documents. A PDF version of the airway bill and relevant documents needed for exporting will be available on the application to speed up the exporting process. Users can also provide feedback by rating the application. We'll be going through our revenue streams. Our revenue will come from advertisement on the application, brokerage fees from logistics service providers or forwarders, and our app fee after the first year trial. Now, our key resources. Firstly, we will need an app developer, then a server to host our application, also a copyright against our application so as to protect ourselves from copycats. Lastly, we will need capital. Next, we will be going through our key activities. One way in which we can get more customers is through marketing. For example, through Google search optimization, our company will be listed first and more likely to be seen. This creates an increase in brand awareness. We will also have to develop, design, test, and code our application. Lastly, our business also aims to find and link SMEs and exporters to logistic companies and consolidate their cargo. Next, we will be going through our cost structure. Obviously, we will need some money to pay our app developers and programmers for their service in developing our application. Next, we will also need a server to host our application. Eventually, as our client base gets bigger, one of the ways to keep them happy is through constant notifications of updates on our application. Lastly, advertising costs from search engine optimization on Google as well as Play Store. We will be going through our key partners. We will be working closely with various shipping and freight companies. This is to ensure that our customers' goods are transported safely. Through the mobile enterprise application platform, we will also make our app available on different other platforms. This also serves as an avenue for marketing. One of the risks we might face is competition from other similar applications. Another risk that we might face is that SMEs may understate the size of their cargo just to cut costs. This may reflect badly on us.
To build customer relationship to a next level and to help us improve, a pop-up dialog appears when users experience problems on C2A. Also, we have a user-friendly interface. The main categories are sorted out by different colors. The information of customers are confidential. Under My Orders, we have recent imports and reference number whereby our SMEs can use to check the 13-character reference needed to check cargo. To check the estimated number of days to cargo arrival, they can simply click on the Check Cargo button for real-time visibility, and voila! Simple as that, they're able to check where their cargo currently is. Under Customer Center, one may click on Post to check notifications from our forum. Selecting this allows users to feedback directly to us, while Help offers users guidance on the process of exporting by providing pre-filled documents such as the Certificate of Origin or Airway Bill and Commercial Invoice. Clicking Setting allows the user to further customize the app to suit their own preferences, such as choosing a preferred language. For further customization, SMEs may choose their preferred logistics service provider. This also helps us foster stronger ties with the LSPs. Upon scrolling down, customers have to declare the weight and volume of the cargo they are exporting, so as to allow us to quote them the price of exporting their goods. After we consolidate the cargo, by categorizing them by industries, also to give them the lowest price possible. An e-payment will be made, and that's it.